here. No, I ain't doing it.
You're on your own now.
Show me caveman number 2.
Recorded.
This is proof that Justin knows how to put on a fucking inner tube. I know how.
How many monkeys does it take to screw in a light bulb?
That's what happened just because the camera. Get the fuck out of my face. Look from the side angle. Let my team recover my fucking emotions. Alright, come on, David. Help, fool. Making me look bad. Whatever. Fuck you all. I can delete it. It's my phone. Oh yeah, I'm fucking shanked this shit, man.
What was that noise?
Fucking hell. Humiliation is eating your life.
I'm not joining in on that.
Alright, I quit. You can stop recording. I quit.